If you're looking for a training facility within 35 minutes of an international airport, we have the perfect place right here in the heart of Eads, Tennessee. This place sits on just over 77 beautiful acres, multiple barns, multiple arenas. Let's go take a look at everything that it has to showcase. This main barn features 28 stalls. The stalls are oversized. They're 14 by 14, so you have an oversized aisle that's a little bit bigger than your standard 12-foot aisle. I believe it's 13 feet. And then you have multiple tack areas, two client tech areas, a private trainer tech area, and a one-bedroom apartment attached to this main barn here. Each of these stalls features its own fan, its own light system, and also its own fly spray system. You also have a security system that runs throughout this barn so you can keep an eye on all of your horses. We also have this awesome thermoplate here, which is it's perfect to relieve any kind of soreness in your horse's body, but also us humans love it too. Don't you love it? In the main barn, there are two indoor wash bays right over here. If the wash bays are full inside, we've got 4 more out here too. This farm features a completely enclosed arena. It does have the garage doors, which can come down and go back up for winter time where it can keep it nice and warm, or go up and let a really nice breeze go through here. This lower barn here, which is attached to the covered arena, features 21 stalls, multiple wash bays, tack room, a viewing room, and a private lounge.